In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and at Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official Coinbase site through Google, get to their contact page, and locate the option to speak with an agent, all while keeping your information safe. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Coinbase. You'll see a list of results, including ads at the top. Take a moment to verify you're clicking the official site with the exact domain coinbase.com. Look for the secure padlock icon in your address bar and double-check the spelling of the domain. This is an important step to avoid phishing sites that might look convincing. If you plan to visit often, consider bookmarking the official homepage once you're in so you can return safely without searching each time. Once you're on the Coinbase homepage, scroll to find the Contact Us link. This is usually located in the footer or within the Help or Support section. Click Contact Us to head into their Help Center. If you don't immediately see it, try using your browser's Find feature by pressing Ctrl or Command plus F and typing Contact, which can quickly highlight the link on the page. Remember, you don't need to sign in just yet to navigate. You're simply getting to the right support area. On the contact page, look for the prompt that says, "Need to speak to an agent?" Click that. This is where Coinbase typically guides you into live support options. Depending on your issue, you might see choices for categories like account access, transactions, or security. It's normal for support systems to ask a few questions to route you to the right team, and in many cases, you'll be encouraged to sign in so they can verify your account. Keep in mind, a legitimate support flow may request basic identifiers, but it will never ask for your password, two-factor codes, seed phrase, or recovery keys. If you ever see a request for those, stop and back out. Those details should always remain private. If you're preparing to speak with an agent, have helpful, non-sensitive details ready, such as the approximate date of a transaction or the names of assets involved. Screenshots that don't reveal personal or security information can also speed up troubleshooting. When you're finished, consider saving the official contact page and Help Center in your bookmarks for quick access in the future. That's it. You searched for Coinbase on Google, navigated to the official site, opened Contact Us, and selected Need to speak to an agent. Follow the on-screen prompts from there, and you'll be on your way to getting support safely.